We've done about 4 years of research with these technologies. Number one is the GrowSafe technology, which is based on passive RFID, so we can measure how many times these animals come up to eat each day, how many minutes they spend at the bunk each day, as well as measuring the intake. Then we can calculate what's called residual feed intake, which is essentially a new feed efficiency trait in which we can figure out are the animals eating less than expected or more than expected. We're finding out that the animals that are more efficient actually have a lower maintenance energy requirement. Also, things like improved digestibility, they have slight different eating pattern. The animals that are efficient tend to come to the bunk less times per day, spend less time at the bunk. And so there's a lot of interesting attributes that help us to explain why we see this between animal variation and efficiency. Without a doubt, the recent increases in grain prices we've seen in the last 2-3 years and the increase in hay costs because of the drought are putting more and more emphasis on efficiency. In the past, we've been mainly focused on improving genetics by increasing carcass traits, improving reproductive traits, and improving growth traits. But we've just recently now started to have emphasis on trying to improve efficiency. And yes, the increase in cost of feeds and of course the drought has all driven interest in this whole area. But then another thing that's really sparked interest in this research is the fact that we can now start talking about how can we improve efficiency so we can reduce the environmental impact of beef cattle production systems. We're finding that cattle that are more efficient, they also are producing less methane, they have less fecal output, and so we're going to have a less negative impact on the environment. So there's a benefit that way as well.